I'm sure you guys have seen it as well, but I recently came across this ad on YouTube.
Guardian gives you a Guardian Protector, which helps you to stop from hitting the max daily drawdown limits.
A daily drawdown guard? What could that be? I was super curious to find out. So I hopped onto the Blue Guardian website and purchased myself a 50k account to review for you guys. And together we're going to uncover everything concerning the Blue Guardian prop firm, their rules, regulations, and really dive in deep into this prop firm to find out if there's anything they're not telling us. So go ahead and join me on this journey as we trade and document our whole process going through the Blue Guardian prop firm. So let's see how we can scale up this our 50k account to be able to pass, and then hopefully we are going to get ourselves to the payout phase. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Terry, and in today's video we're going to be talking about Blue Guardian. If you happen to be new to the channel, hello, my name is Terry and I'm a forex trader based in Accra, Ghana, and on my channel I share free educational forex trading based content. I also review prop firms for you guys to know exactly how these prop firms work, and I also do my best to give you guys a first-hand experience on how the life of a forex trader usually is. So if you like content like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and turn on your post notifications. It's really important, guys. Go ahead and turn on your post notifications so you never ever miss out on any of my weekly uploads. And also let me know in the comment section down below if you find this video helpful. Let's just get right into this video. Okay, now that that's done, we can go ahead and dive into the account. And right off the bat, the Blue Guardian website looks super cool with the whole gaming aesthetic. I love the castles and the dragon aesthetic. I mean, it's giving King of Castle. It's also giving Stronghold. If you're into gaming, you know what I'm talking about. And if you go ahead and click on the play button, it's actually going to take you through some details of the Blue Guardian prop firm. So it's not just there for decor. That's what I initially thought, but it's going to give you a 45-second long video telling you a little more about the Blue Guardian prop firm website. Moving on to the next section, we can just see the discounts that the Blue Guardian is offering for the month of February. If you use the discount code, you're gonna be getting 20% off, 125% refund, which seems pretty cool. Hey, Editing Terry here. So I just noticed that Blue Guardian has a new discount code and it's Blue Boost to save 25% off your next account purchase, and you also get the same 125% refund when you purchase your account. So you can go ahead and use this discount code, or be sure to check out their website for any updated discount codes that they have. Thank you. And we can also see some of the platforms that Blue Guardian has been featured in. So we have Yahoo News, Bloomberg, Yahoo Finance, and the list goes on and on and on. The Blue Guardian has 10k, 25k, 50k, 100k, 200k challenges available, although it seems people are loving the 100k challenges the most. The packages they have also include Unlimited, Elite, and the Rapid package. In my opinion, I'd recommend beginners stick to the Unlimited and Elite packages, leaving the Rapid packages to the seasoned pros who have actually built a strategy around trading one-step accounts instead of the two-step account. Basically because it has a little more flexibility and wiggle room. Basically, the Unlimited and Elite packages are pretty much the same. With the Elite packages, you have a higher maximum loss and a higher profit target. You also have a 10% profit target, a 4% profit target in phase 2, and an unlimited amount of profit once you become a Guardian trader. You also have a 10% maximum loss on your phase 3 account as well. You also still get your full refund and then some if you use the coupon code listed in the description box down below. So once you become a funded Guardian trader, you have the chance of earning 85% of your profits, and if you're consistently profitable, you now become entitled to their scale up plan where your capital is going to be substantially increased. And by substantially increased, I mean you stand the chance of getting yourself up to $2 million in funded capital. The next section talks about the process of signing up, which I'm sure you're all familiar with, but if you're not yet familiar with this is when you sign up to your Blue Guardian website and then you purchase the account of your choice, after which you receive your account details via email. After you've entered these details into your empty MT5 app, that's when you can start with your evaluation phase and hopefully get yourself to earning a substantial amount of money within the next 14 days. Moving on to their payout system, which states that Guardian funded traders are entitled to their first payout after 14 days of passing your challenge, after which you are able to place your withdrawal anytime from there. Next, we're moving to the Guardian Protector, and this is the main reason why I purchased the account in the first place. So I haven't yet set up my Guardian Protector, so we're gonna head on to my dashboard and set it up together. This is why the website says you should be using the Blue Guardian prop firm, where they say they have having realistic targets, no restrictions, the Guardian Protector, profit splits, bi-weekly payouts, meaning you have the chance of requesting a payout multiple times in a month, and also their scale-up plan. Once you've purchased your account, make sure you're signing up to at least their newsletter or their Discord community, just in case they share any helpful information concerning your accounts. So let's review their trustworthiness in relation to their Trustpilot. So I mostly go for their negative reviews or 1-star reviews first before I look at their 5-star or 4-star reviews, because those are good. Let's see why people are complaining about this prop firm. So whether the review is negative or positive, I'm really big on these prop firms coming to respond to these issues, especially as the Trustpilot is some form of a safe haven for people to come and voice out their issues. So if you're able to, I believe that these prop firms should take it upon themselves to make sure that all the issues on here are resolved. So for the first issue I'm reading is from Bright, and he's complaining about the commissions and spreads being relatively too high and his pending orders weren't executed. I'm really sorry about this, and I'm sure if you reach out to them, they might have something to say about it or do something about it. I can also see that with the second one, somebody was also complaining about a breach on their account, which was less than 2% of their account. Once you have the necessary evidence to back your issue, I'm sure Blue Guardian will be willing to work on your issues, and I'm sure you're going to get your issue resolved quicker than you expect. After the first two issues, the next issues, I see that they've been able to come and respond to them. So hopefully by the time this video goes up, they're going to respond to the other two issues that haven't yet been responded to. So let's look at some of their positive reviews, and on this section you can see that the Blue Guardian is doing an amazing job, and I can see people are showing evidence of their payouts. So let's just look at a couple of examples of their most frequently asked questions. So the first question we have is, am I trading real money? And the Blue Guardian says all accounts are demo accounts with virtual funds. Do you have a scale up plan? And I just spoke about this. So they said yes, they have a scale up plan up to $2 million, but you have to be trading for up to 3 months and make a 12% or more profits, and then you'll be entitled to an increment of 30% of your initial capital balance until you get to their cutoff point of $2 million. Is there a breach for inactivity? And yes, so you need to place your first trade within the first 30 days of creating your account. So let's quickly move on to my dashboard. So I'm going to log into my personal trading account to show you guys how the dashboard looks. As you can see, my account is still in progress. I haven't taken any trades on this Blue Guardian account. So this is how everything is looking, pretty brand new. I have my credentials for entering my MT5 account. So on the dashboard, the first thing you're going to see is the profit charts. This is where you're going to see your profit and loss charts going up and down. So the chart is going to be changing as your equity curve keeps changing as you go along. You can also see your max permitted loss, which is $3,000. Today's permitted loss, which is $2,000. Today I haven't made any profits on this dashboard, so it would have shown at the base if I made any profits. On the next section, it shows the Blue Guardian's objectives, and my profit target for this account is $5,000, which I'm yet to achieve. It also shows my max loss and my max daily loss. On the next section, we have other statistics like your win rate, profit factor, and a lifetimer that starts to run immediately after you take your first trade on the account. Next, we have our Blue Guardian leaderboard, where the Blue Guardian shows you how other traders are performing on the account. Next, we're going to move on to the Guardian Protector section, and we're going to try and see if we can set it up. And it's actually pretty easy to do. All you need to do is to turn the Guardian Protect button on, and once you've done this, you have the option to either protect your account using a particular stop loss amount, percentage, or currency amount. You can also stop your trading or disable your trading until the next day. This is also another equity chart where it shows your daily stop loss limit and Guardian stop loss limit, as well as your equity keeps changing. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video up until this point. Once I've gone ahead to complete the challenge phase, and as I previously mentioned, this is a 50k one-step account, but once I've gone ahead to pass the challenge phase, we can then move on to the payouts section. I'm really grateful to each and every one of you that was able to watch this video up until this point. If I wasn't able to cover anything in this section, go ahead and let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll make sure to include that maybe in my next video. But now you have first-hand insight into the Blue Guardian prop firm, so I hope you remember to subscribe, and if you didn't, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and turn on your post notifications. I noticed that 70% of you guys watching my videos are not subscribed, so if you're one of them, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Turn on your post notifications so you never ever miss out on any of my uploads. And without any further ado, I'm gonna see you in my next video next week, but until then, bye.